Did you know that Easter and April Fool's is on the same day this year? You will not want to miss this epic showdown of 3D printing. So let's use some different types of printing techniques today. We are going to be using pausing the print part way, printing in hollow, and we're going to be using Inventor to design an egg. That's right, we're going to design an egg. And so anyway, let's get started. So we got Inventor open right here, and we are going to design that egg first. So we can go to new part, and you know, eggs are kind of a funny shape, so we will want to first we want to go to the sketch plane, come around, we'll do 90 degrees. That's what I meant to do. Oh, it's not 25 radius though. Well, let's see if we can fix that. We want 12.5 radius. That'd be half of that. Okay, and the reason why I did that is because we want the arc to make a half dome. Make like a dome. You know what I mean? So we want to revolve this, and we want to revolve it around this axis. I want to do full. Okay, now we're going to start another sketch on that same plane. And this one, we want to, I don't like that. We want to do the top half of the egg. Now you may notice there's no flat bottom on this, or any flat sides. It's going to be hard to print. We'll address that in a little bit. So let's start by drawing a line. We know that's 25 diameter, so we'll just go ahead and do line. We'll do, trying to figure this out. So do that, and we'll dimension this to be 12.5. We will not put it on the egg yet. We'll not put it on the egg yet because we don't want to mess up with projection or anything. And now we're going to draw another line. So we had 12.5 there. Let's just go with the full 25 on this line, maybe. Let's see what that looks like. See if that looks about right. Looks a little tall for an egg. Let's go with 15 maybe. Maybe 20. Let's try 20. Yeah, 20 looks good. Now we're just going to draw our, let's just do a tangential arc. Maybe that'll work better. Oh, well, that's not going to work. What about just a 3-point arc? That might work. We just want to make it look like an egg, you know. No, I don't like that either. Let's just go back to our splining here. We'll just do a spline. So we're going to come over here. We're going to go, basically we're going to go probably about to a midpoint of that. No, I don't like that. Let's try again. We're going to go straight up then to right about halfway. Then we're going to curve it over. That might work. We'll do that. We'll finish that one and insert. That's what I want. Insert one. Okay. Do it there. That'll be fine. Okay. Maybe insert a couple of them. Okay. Now, how do I edit the vertexes here? Try that. Oh, well, see, I just can't get rid of that point, and I don't know why. But it looks good enough, I guess. Let's go ahead and save this and call it egg. Next, because this is going to be a prank, this is going to be all one hollow egg, but we're going to put something in it to make it sound like there's candy. So let's just first try to open the other one. Where are we here? Right here. Egg. Alright. Here we go. There's our egg back in there. Now let's go with a new part. And let's just make maybe something that looks a little bit like a jelly bean. But sort of flat on the bottom. We need to fix that other one too to make it flat on the bottom too. So let's see, let's start on the, we'll do the same plane we did earlier. We'll do, let's see. Okay, we will do a ellipse. What we'll do. Do like this. I'll just randomly make it like that. We'll just do that. Oh, come on. I guess I have to use a line. Let's see. No, from here to there. We want this ellipse to be pretty small, so let's just make it 5 millimeters long, and we'll make it 3 millimeters wide, like that. And oh, okay, well that'll work. We'll do a revolve. We only need to do half, I guess. See if it'll even like it like that. See, it won't like it like that. So I have to do it halfway. Oh, well. Okay, try this again. So we'll go angle. We'll do 180. That should fix it. Oh, we need axis, don't we? Axis. That guy. Oh, it didn't like it. Really? Huh. That is weird. Never seen that happen before. Maybe if I flip angle here? No. Okay, I'm going to have to edit the sketch. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to put a line straight across the whole thing. And I'm going to do a trim. I'm going to trim off this side. That should work. Extrude. Oh, we don't want extrude. No, we want revolve. Full. We want to pick this axis right here. Ah, that worked. Okay. There's our jelly bean. Our fake jelly bean. Just call it bean. Bean with an A, right? Okay, and then let's see. Let's just chop a little off the bottom. The way we're going to do that, we're going to go to plane. We're going to go offset from plane. We're going to pick the same one we used here. We're going to go an offset. We want to go negative though, because we want it on the bottom. Is that right? I think the bean might be in the wrong orientation. We'll see about that later though. We'll do -2. Right? Yeah, we'll do -2. That'll be good. We're gonna do a split. Oh, split body. Oh wait, we want this one. Split body, split tool. Oh, come on. Split tool. There we go. Yeah, I want to remove that part. Okay, there we go. There's our bean. Let's make an STL out of this. Save that. Go here. We need to make this one work out. So we're gonna do this one next. We're gonna do plane offset from plane in. I think I had the wrong plane earlier when I made that. I can redefine it though. Go negative. Let's do 12 maybe. Oh. That's the wrong direction. Maybe we want 12. You know, let's do 10. 10 looks about a little bit better. We want to have a little bit of a good flat bottom there. Yeah, looks good. We'll do a split. Take that one, this one. Pick that. Come on, pick it. Oh, hold on. There we go. That would help. Okay, but we don't want to remove that way. We want to remove this way. Looks good. So that will be our egg. Alright, so I'm going to be using white ABS for this print. It's actually an off-white. And I use Elmer's all-purpose glue to make it adhere to my surface here. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this down. I only need a little bit right in the middle for this print. Okay. And for my print GUI, I'm using a certain I'm using Repetier. This printer is not open source, so I actually modified the firmware. But anyway, let's start the print. We're going to go over here to the computer and let's open up my my favorite, which is the server one. If I can find it, there we go. And I'm just going to do a direct print this time. Okie doke. And where's it at? Oh, not in there. We're going to go under here, under crank egg. There we go. And we'll let this warm up. I already got the filament loaded. So it was a little small, so I'm going to reslice another one here in a little bit, make it bigger. So that first Easter egg was a little bit too small, so I'm printing bigger ones now. It was also kind of fragile, so I increased the perimeters. So I've already printed the little beans out, and here they are. So there they are. I got one sitting right here, and there's one right there. Well, there you go. There's one, and got a whole bunch of them there. I'm printing an egg right now. It should pause here shortly, I would think, but we'll see how that goes. So the way I pause the print is I put a pause line in the actual G code itself. For my printer, it's just @pause. So that's how I've been doing that. So when it pauses, I'm going to put these little beans in there, and I'm also going to put a note in it. And so the idea is that they find this egg, they can't get it open right very good, so they bust it open, they find all that and the note. So that's the idea. So there it is, all printed and ready for some foolery. See you on the tube.